You are you are correct. So let's start from exercise 6.3. What could be the possible one digit of square root of the following number? So if I do the square root of following number, so what is the ones digit? So let me do one for you. Like here it is 1. You can see ones place there is 1. So if I write 9 square is like ending with 1, and like 1 square is ending with 1. So let me write every of the square so that it will be helpful for question number 1. 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, 4 square is 6, 5 square is 5, 6 square is 6, 7 square is 9, 8 square is 4, 9 square is 1. So this is okay. So now the question is like, what could be the possible ones digit of square root? So if I do its square root, then what can be the ones digit? So you can see at unit place there is 1. Okay, so 1 is possible in two cases. You can see what are the cases. If 1 is square, then I can get 1. If 9 is square, then I can get 1. So what is the correct answer for first part? So you can say it can be it can be 1 or 9. There are two possibilities. What are the two possibilities? It can be 1 or 9. So please complete rest of second, third, fourth part.
Ma'am, I have done.
Okay,
Yes, ma'am,
Mahika.
me too.
Okay, Mahika, can you tell about the second part? What should be the correct answer?
Ma'am, this answer of the second question is it can be 4 or 6.
You are correct. It can be 4 or 6. Okay, what do you say, Dhriti, for the third one?
Ma'am, 1 or 9.
1 or 9. Mahika, what do you say for the fourth part?
For the fourth part, the answer is only and only 5.
Correct. Only 5. Okay, so let's move to question number 2 without doing any calculation. Find the number which are surely not perfect square. So it is easy question. Try it yourself. There are 4 parts. You have to tell which are perfect, which are not perfect square. That
Ma'am, can
number.
I tell?
Yes, Mahika.
Ma'am, option 1, 2, and 4 are not perfect square.
Ma'am, I think I disagree. Ma'am, it should be 1, 2, and ma'am, 1, 2, and 3 should not be a perfect square. The fourth one is a perfect square.
You are correct. So the number which is ending with 2378 or odd number of zeros. So you can see here it is ending with 3 Here it is ending with 7. Here it is ending with 8. So these are not perfect square. While 441 is a perfect square, it is perfect square. You can say 21 square is 441. Okay, no problem, but two parts are correct. So let's move to question number 3. You have to find the square root of 100 and 169 by repeated subtraction method. Square root of 100 by repeated subtraction method. So I keep on subtracting odd numbers. 99, then I subtract 3, 96, then I subtract 5, then I subtract 7, then I subtract 9, eleven. So I keep on subtracting till I get 0. So now count the number of steps: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and there are 10 steps. In 10 steps, we are getting 0. So square root of 100 is 10. Similarly, both of you try to find the square root of 169 with the same method, repeated subtraction.
Ma'am, excuse me, ma'am, you missed one step. 153 minus 9.
Oh, sorry. Good. So everything will change. Oh,
Yes, ma'am. So it is
yes.
13 only. 144. Ma'am, the answer will be 48. 25, then 0.
if you count them, there are 13 steps. So I'm asking Dhriti, can you cross check your answer? So you should say, yes, ma'am, I can cross check my answer. Like if I find the square of 13, then if it comes to be 169, then I am correct. So square root of 169, what it is? If I write it like 13 into 13, then 113 will come out in this way.
Okay, ma'am.
Let's move to the next question. Okay, this is prime factorization method. So we will be trying first, fifth and ninth part. Rest are same, method is same. So let me do first for you, that is to find the square root of 729 by prime factorization method. Square root of 729. So prime factorization method, I have to divide it by prime number. 3 2 are 6, 3 4 are 12, 3 3 are 9. So if I divide it again by 3, if I divide it again by 3, again by 3, so you keep on dividing it with the prime number till you get 1. So you can see the prime factors. Now put this prime factors in the square root. So how many 3's are there? 2, 4, 6. So out of this 2, 1 will come out of this 2, out of this 2. So what will come out? 3 into 3 into 3. 3 3's are 9, 9 3's are 27. So 27 is your final answer.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so I'm showing you the next question that you have to try it by yourself. That is, you try second, fifth and ninth part. Okay,
Ma'am, can
Dhriti.
I? Yes, ma'am. Can I tell the second part?
Yeah,
Ma'am, square root of 400 is 20.
you are correct. So you have to do the prime factorization and pair them up, and final answer should be 20.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, during the prime factorization, there will be 3 pairs. So, ma'am, 3 pairs will be there. So, 2 into 2 into 5, then the final answer is 20.
Excellent. So let's move to fifth and ninth part.
Can you explain?
Yeah, I can explain. As Dhriti told you that 400, if I do the prime factorization of 400, let's divide it by 2. So if I divide it by 2, then I got 200. If I again divide it by 2, then I got 100. If I again divide it by 2, I got 50. If I again divide it by 2, I got 25. Now I will divide it by 5. So I got 5. Now I again divide it by 5, I got 1. So what are the prime factors I am getting for 400? I am getting 2 4 times and 5 2 times. So if you make the pair, so out of this 2 1 2 will come, out of this 2 1 2 will come, and then 5. So if you multiply 2 2s are 4, 5 4s are 20. So final answer should be 20.
Okay, ma'am, got it.
Okay, so move to fifth part.
Root of 7744 is 88.
You are correct. So when you do the prime factorization of 7744, so what are the factors you are getting when you do the prime factorization?
Ma'am, 6 times 2 and 2 times 11.
6 times 2
Yes, ma'am.
and 2 times 11. Correct? So out of this 2, 1, 2 will come, out of this 2, 1, out of this 2, out of this 11, 1, 11. So you will be getting 2 into 2 into 2 into 11. So that makes 88. Okay, so let's move to the last one, ninth part. Have you subscribed to my channel? Do you know how to see the lectures? Have I told you?
Yes, ma'am, to go to your website and then click the YouTube icon and then we can see it, view it.
Yes, yes, yes. So you can watch all the recordings there. Every of the class you can revise it, just see. And if you like you need to subscribe my channel, then you will be getting the notification also. Whatever I am just putting on YouTube, that notification will come to your mobile or whatever your email ID.
Ma'am, question number 9, 10, ninth part.
Okay, Dhriti.
Ma'am, the square root of 529 is 23.
Okay, you are correct. So the factors of 529 is 23. So when you just pair them up, then 123 will come out. So square root of 529 is equal to 23. Okay, so I'm just breaking this meeting and connecting again.